What's going on, everybody? This Smooth Productions. As you can see, I got another battery pack to use with my camera and my field monitor. It's a powerextra. This is the unboxing. And what you get in the box, I got it off of eBay. You get a thank you card. This is from the seller. See? Powerextra. Facebook and all that stuff, right? And you get a cloth. Get the powerextra cloth. You get the cord. This is the cord. If you have a dummy battery, like I have a A6500 Sony camera, this is the cord to plug it up to the DC part of the battery pack. This is the USB connection, right? And this is the box that it came in. I threw the wrapping away. This is the, hold on. Yeah, I mean, see, this is what it came in. Nicely packaged. Not damaged or anything like this. This right here is the battery pack. I got it from eBay. Let me see if it got some juice in it. Okay, it's no juice in it. So I gotta charge it up. It's dead right now. But that's pretty much it. If you want to, I'm gonna look for a charger so I can charge it up. But that's pretty much it. I gotta find the charger piece. Okay. Take that off of there. Take that off of there. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to leave it on the charger, see how long it takes to charge, and that's about it. The unboxing is done.